welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming how to make homemade almond milk. And if you're anything like me, you're super intimidated and you think it's a crazy long process, but I promise you it is the simplest, easiest thing to make ever. It takes literally minutes, and the stuff that we're buying at the store only contains 10% of almonds. The rest is water, filler, gum, stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, I have purchased Silk and all those other almond milks before out of convenience, but my goal this year is to keep my ingredients as simple and as clean as possible. So I thought that we could start this journey together. So let's get started. Okay, so I just have 1 cup of almonds here, and I'm just gonna put them in a bowl with some filtered water. Make sure the water is nice and filtered, and make sure your almonds are raw, because if they are not, that means that they have been roasted and they already lost a lot of nutrients. So we're gonna leave our almonds to soak for about 12 to 24 hours, but you want at least 12 hours. And then you want enough, you just wanna cover them enough so all the almonds are soaked. So nothing too serious, and I'm just gonna leave this in the fridge. I'm also gonna be adding just a dash of sea salt to mine while it soaks overnight. Also, make sure that your almonds are organic because they are very heavily sprayed, so you want to make sure you're getting the best quality almond milk there is. Alright, it's been a little over 12 hours. This is what our almond mixture looks like. Turned a little off white, all this skin is peeling off, so I'm just going to put it into the strainer now and rinse. Okay, now I'm taking my almonds from my strainer and I'm putting it into a high-powered blender. You can use any blender. I swear mine is not dirty. Vitamixes always get gross like that for some reason. But for every 1 cup of almonds, I like to do 4 cups of water. So I have my little measuring cup. Make sure that you use filtered water. Dump it into here. And I do want mine to be vanilla flavored, so I just have some vanilla extract. I'm going to fill up my cap and then just dump it in. You can also use dates for a natural sweetener and a dash of Himalayan salt. I'm actually all out of Himalayan salt. Actually, I decided I'm going to do just a little dash of sea salt, just to really activate the flavors. Now I'm going to blend it for about a minute. Okay, now I'm done blending it. I took this little metal container that I have, a nut milk bag, which you can get anywhere. I get mine on Amazon. I'll link the one that I have down below, and then a little clip just so it doesn't get all messy. I have gloves on just because I keep washing my hands a million times a day. They're drying out, and also you have to milk this like a real cow. So I just put that through so we don't get all our almonds in, and then I'm going to tighten this up. Get it well tight now. And then I'm literally going to just, made a mess. It's okay. Just gonna squeeze out all my liquid. Actually, just take this out. It'll be easier, so you don't make my mistake. And you can do this with every single milk. Cashew milk, oat milk, whatever nut that you prefer. It's all made the same exact way. So now that I got all that liquid out, I'm going to pour it back into here. Now I'm just gonna pour it right back into here. And this will be good in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. And there you have it, guys. Clean, gum-free, healthy ingredient, homemade almond milk, and it literally takes minutes. Once a week and you're good to go. So let me know if you guys plan on trying this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time.